All right, welcome back, everyone. Are you having problems with your 2017 Ford Explorer license plate light? Either it's out or it's malfunctioning. If it is, this is the video for you. We are upgrading our license plate lights to the LED model. Not only does it look better, but it's easy replacement and they cost less than the stock halogen bulbs that Ford wants you to have. So enough dilly-dally, let's jump in it, get you guys back on the road so you don't get a ticket for your license plate light being out. Alright guys, today we are replacing the license plate bulbs. Well, we're actually upgrading altogether to the LED license plate lights on the 2017 Ford Explorer. This does match some other years. I'm going to throw it up on the screen, that way you guys have it. But we are going to go ahead and grab our trim tool. Boom. And all you have to do is move that latch right there, okay? You can even do it without a trim tool, but I'm showing you with the trim tool because I have fat fingers, okay? So right there, you just move that trim tab in. Even do it. You guys on here. Boop. Oh, flies today, man. All right, move the trim tab in just like that. And your license plate light will come out. Wiggle it, boop. There you go. It's out. We'll go ahead and replace it with the new one. All right, guys. Now that we have the piece out just like this, you're gonna use both hands, okay? And lefty-loosey on the bulb, bring it out of the housing. Now that the housing is off, you have the old bulb right here. We're going to take the old bulb out. We have the new LED right here. Take it out of the bag. Go. We have a nice little plug right on the back. Take this nice plastic piece off right here. Ooh, there we go. All right, let's switch down real quick. All right, old bulb is out. We'll go ahead and take the new one. We're gonna plug it in right where the bulb was. All right, now that it's plugged in, you can see that it fits nice. We're gonna go ahead and tuck the wiring back in. And there we go. Hear the nice little click, and it is locked in place. There you go. You got your new license plate lights all hooked up, and we'll check it out at night.